We'll work one that's got a variable here. Plus 5 square roots of 2x. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this part here as the square root of x over the square root of 2 plus, and then we'll just keep that the same. There's nothing we can do with that. Now to get this radical out of the denominator, I multiply the bottom by the square root of 2, and of course the top. We have to do the same thing, and we're going to be rewriting the rest. So the square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. So we end up with the square root of x times the square root of 2 over 2. Now, since both of these are square roots, the square root, I can go ahead and join those, and we're going to write it like this right here. Now we have two terms that are like, and so we could look at it like this. Where I just factored out a square root of 2, and so now we're left with what's a half plus 5. Well, that's going to be 11 square roots of 2x over 2. Alright, so we want to isolate this radical. So I'm going to rewrite this piece here as the square root of 3 over the square root of y minus the square root of y over the square root of 3, and there's nothing we can do with that. So to get the radical out of the denominator, we write the square root of y over, so we did square root of y over square root of y. Okay, if you've been keeping up, then that shouldn't be foreign. So to get rid of the square root of 3, we go square root of 3 over square root of 3, and then I just rewrite this part here. Okay. So this becomes, I'm going to go ahead and join this together. So hopefully at this point, right, you'll know what I'm doing. Square root of y times square root of y is just y minus the square root of 3y over 3 minus the square root of 3y. Now I can go ahead and factor out the square root of 3y since it occurs in all of our terms. So this becomes 1 over y minus 1/3 minus 1. And then of course you can join all this together in one single fraction. But I'm just going to leave it like that. So, but you can go ahead and join this up if you want. But we're going to end it there. If you forgot how to do that, right? Get a common denominator, which is going to be 3 over 3 minus y over 3y, then minus 3y over 3y, and so we have 3 minus y minus 3y. It's all over 3y, and so that becomes 3 minus 4y over 3y. I said I wasn't going to work this out, but I guess it looks like I am. 3 minus 4y over 3y. Okay, there you go. Hopefully I didn't make any quick mistakes there. I don't think I did. Alright, looks good. Okay, well that ends this, and that ends the problems in this section.